Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get cheap flights using PIA. Now, we all love to travel, however traveling can be expensive and the cost of flights is often the biggest expense, and that's why using a VPN like PIA can be helpful, and I'll tell you how. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point you'd like to give PIA VPN a try, you'll find a discount link available in the description down below to help save you some extra money. Now, PIA changes your IP address and location, making it appear as if you're browsing from a different country or region. This can help you access flight deals that are not available in your area and compare prices across different markets by following these steps. First, download PIA as it has many servers and locations to connect to. Then, after downloading and installing PIA on your device, you must connect to a server location worldwide that'll make it appear as though you're in that geographic area, which allows you to view the pricing set in various regions. However, try avoiding the closest server location to ensure you see different regional prices. Now, open your preferred travel booking website or app and search for flights. If you don't see a price difference, clear your browser's cache and cookies for fresh results. Then compare the prices you find to those without the VPN and book the flights with the better deal. Now, remember to experiment with different server locations to find the best price available, since results may vary. However, how does PIA work? First, PIA VPN has 120 servers over 84 countries to choose from, allowing you to access location-specific flight pricing by changing your virtual location to any country you desire, which lets you compare prices across the world before making your purchase on any booking website you visit. However, PIA VPN's benefits extend beyond flight shopping, as it also features robust security measures to keep your online activities confidential and secure. PIA employs military-grade AES-256 encryption, which wraps your data in an unbreakable layer of protection against cyber threats and hackers. Additionally, it supports perfect forward security, ensuring that your data remains secure even if your encryption key is compromised. Also, PIA VPN adheres to a strict no logs policy, meaning your data will not be logged under any circumstances, as PIA has undergone independent audits that attest to its integrity. And also, it's known for its fast connection speeds with servers situated in various locations. During my test, I experienced virtually no connectivity issues or lag on servers located nearby, and only minimal slowdown on servers located far away. Now, the user-friendly interface of PIA VPN makes it accessible to anyone, and the app can be installed on a variety of devices including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Once installed, you can effortlessly connect to a server in a different country and browse the web securely and privately. Additionally, the app includes an automatic kill switch that ensures the connection is severed if the VPN connection is lost, guaranteeing the protection of user data. However, do keep in mind that PIA is based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which means it can force it to hand over whatever data that it does have. All in all, using PIA can save you money and lets you enjoy more flexible and diverse travel options. However, some airlines and booking websites may detect and block VPN traffic, so you may need to try different servers or providers to find the best options. So that's going to be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in PIA VPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as related content in the description down below. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. I love getting to interact with you. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.